Alright students, now we're here and we're back with our last videos of the day. BC is congruent to DC, already marked. AC, ooh, I love this one's so great. AC bisects BCD. So that's saying that this segment bisects this angle. Ooh, I wonder what that's going to result in. Anywho, before we get too excited to start drawing everything, let's focus on the table. We already have our statement given. AC is congruent to AC. Let's focus on that first. Again, we've only talked about this about 101 times. Reflexive property. A shared side is congruent to itself. Now, something I want to focus on now is the AC bisects angle BCD. So we talked about it, but then we never elaborated on it. All right. Now, an angle bisector does not result in two congruent segments. It results in two congruent angles. And in this case, it's angle 1 and angle 2. So angle 1 is congruent to angle 2 by definition of angle bisector. All right, so now let's focus on things. Look what I got here. Let's look at this triangle. I got a side, an angle, another side. The angle is included. It's between both congruent sides. So when I say triangle ACD is congruent to triangle ABC, the reason is going to be SAS, side, angle, side. All right. And then the last one right here. All right, AB is congruent to BC. Let's just start drawing our picture. We got some perpendicular, so I know that's going to result in some right angles. And let's even do that because that's a little foreshadowing. All right, so drawing on my picture, very powerful because now I know what theorem I'm going to use. I said lose, oops. It's going to be HL, but we're saving that for later, okay? So anywho, we have perpendicular lines. This is perpendicular to this, so that's why these angles are right angles by definition of perpendicular lines. Next, we say the angles are congruent because of the right angle congruence theorem. All right, so we have right triangles because we have right angles, right angle congruence theorem. All right, now I said this was a little foreshadowing. Let's specifically talk about it right now. BD is going to be congruent to BD. It's a shared side, reflexive property. Thus, I have enough information to say triangle ABD is congruent to triangle CBD. And again, right triangles, hypotenuse is over here. It's opposite the right triangle. Leg is that shared side. So hypotenuse, leg. Hypotenuse, leg. Okay, that's it for the videos. Hopefully you enjoyed them. I don't think there's anything else. Oh, nothing else. Oz. Sad.